Are you tired of nature? Are you tired of learning? Are you tired of reading? Then you need Fidget Spinner.
Hi, I'm Robert Rue. I once was a loser, but now I'm a winner thanks to
Fidget Spinner.
That once was me. I almost did something productive, but I found a solution.
Fidget Spinner.
What's so cool about a fidget spinner? I'll tell you.
It spins.
And spins.
Yep, you guessed it. And spins. Who needs a fan? Ceiling fans are so 1930s. I have a fidget spinner to cool me down.
Ah, feel the coolness. Hot coffee? No problem. Fidget spinner cool down. Much better. Oh man, my freezer stopped working. But I got an idea. I could do this all day. Rock solid. Oh yeah. But that's not all the fidget spinner can do.
It spins horizontal.
It spins vertical.
Whether you're in a bad mood or a happy mood,
A fidget spinner's right for you. This ridiculous little toy will cost you a measly $7. Parents these days, they're not even buying their kids school books anymore to learn. Instead, they're getting them a fidget spinner. Okay, class, I'm going to ask you a few questions here. We'll start with you, Billy. What answer did you get for number 3?
fidget spinner.
Wow. You're in 12th grade, Billy. 12 and a half, thank you very much. You can enjoy it now while you can. The fidget spinner.
Get your fidget spinner today.